Okay guys, in this video we are going to install a laravel intervention package, and if you go to Google and type laravel intervention, then you'll get this first link, image.intervention.io. so it's really nice package. Through this package we can resize our image into different size so that we can give user to download the image of different size. Okay, so go to this URL, and first you need to do is that you need to install this into our application. So here is the installation. So if you click this installation, then if you go here, then first we need to write a composer require intervention slash image, and then we need to provide this in the providers array and this in the aliases array, which you can find in the config, and inside the config folder we have the app.php where we provide this. So let's start this. So first I'll copy this only require intervention slash image, and then I'll go here and I'll clear this, and then I'll write composer, COMPOSA composer, and then require intervention slash image. So it will install our package, and once it install, that you can see here within here. Okay, so now we have to do second thing is we need to go to the config. So in the config app we have the provider array and we have the aliases array. Okay, so here is the aliases and the up one is the provider array. So according to documentation it says that we need to provide this into the providers array. So let's go here and do that. So this one is the aliases and this one is the providers. So here I'll paste this here in the provider array, and then this one should be into the aliases array. You can see here, and this one is the aliases, this is the aliases array, and let's go down and let's paste here. Okay, done. And you can go here and you can read about this documentation about how to resize the image into different format and what this all methods does, like what this shape does and how it actually works. Okay, so I have to wait for some time to install it. So it's installing, and once this finishes, then we'll be ready to install the to work on the image uploading system with the laravel intervention. Now what I like to do here is I like to make a 3 folder. So here I'll make first uploads folder, uploads uploads, and in the uploads folder I'll have 3 folder where I store the image into different sizes. So the first folder I want to make is 1280, and this is the X. Okay, not a multiplication sign, this is just X, and 1024. So this size file I'll store in this folder, and then I'll make another folder as well, and this folder will be 316 and X, and then 255. So this is the width and the height of the images. And third I want to make is 118 X and 95. Okay, so we have to make folder before we process the image. Okay, otherwise it throws the error. So I think this is install, or it has some error in app.line app.php. So the error is let's see the error. So error is in 174 line. So 174 174. So this one should be at the end of our file here, not there. Okay, now it should be fine. So it should be at the end of our provider array, not in the middle. Okay, so I miss, I think, comma, something like that. So if I now start my server, then I should get this, everything should be good. So now everything is fine. So now I'll see you guys in the next video.